Honey Walia. She's Associate Professor at Khalsa College for Women Ludhiana. She is the Head Department of Functional English and is also officiating Head Department of English there. She is devoted to research and has presented numerous papers at international and national conferences.
I have prepared because the very topic is conversation. So it's going to be more like an interaction. You and I, we will be interacting. And then we try to understand what it is really that makes the interaction tick. And then gradually we come down to this word conversation and what is it that could make conversation effective. Understand, interpret, evaluate all that is being said. That is why it is very important.
Next, what I'm writing is अंग्रेजी में वो आती नहीं, which is like putting myself on that box where I get to know did I make sense or did I not. But since we are towards the fag end, probably the fag end of the session. So let's quickly just try to check on did we, or let me put it like that, did I make sense there?
Oh, यार
and very quickly very good. As in arm. If you do it order, that would be absolutely brilliant. If you can identify the first one.
Yes, ma'am. It's E.
E. Okay, this is E. Two consonants and you can read from there. Just two.
Per and per.
Okay, per and per. Okay. With per and per, probably you can say that. Because when you say CAT, cat, it is C, but it is K. And there it comes. Brilliant. Or C hai, but sound K hai. Very well done. Or. Quickly, who's going to do this? A and A.
Because this change has already happened in the South in engineering colleges. They are no longer following the text, no longer following the book, but this is what they are doing in class. Every day they have groups and a workshop is conducted every day because while you people are good in your theory, they want good engineers and good architects and good students, good commerce students also to have excellent spoken.